Hello everyone, and welcome to the workshop New to Online Essential Getting Started Part 1. I'm your facilitator, Dr. Arifa Garman, and our workshop, as you know, is from April 5th to 11th. This is just a quick video to show you where everything is in the workshop. I'm right now in the home page. Announcement is where you're going to see and get the news. This is where I will post my multimedia announcement. Next tab is our workshop and schedule. It gives you detail of when everything is due. The next tab is the introduction, where you will introduce yourself to others and of course reply to all those who reply to your post. The live session is optional, but I would like you to attend if at all possible. It is April 6th at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is the information that you need, and here's the link for your Zoom. This is where the workshop content and activities are. In this workshop, you have 2 discussion form and a required assignment. In the discussion form, you are to answer the questions and reply to 2 other posts. These are not the people who reply to your original post. So each discussion is worth 3 points. 1 point for your original post and 1 for each reply to at least 2 other participants. If you have a questions, please make sure you ask it under the open. So questions are either under the help form or under the water cooler. The water cooler form is really for sharing hints and links and ideas and suggestion how to, and the help form is when you need help with something. If you have a question of a personal nature, I will be posting my email at the end of the transcript for this, and it is arifa@garmanelearning.com. I look forward to interacting and working with you in the next week in the New to Online Essential Part 1. And of course, I'm your facilitator, Arifa Garman.